Hi, Mark Seitelman here. I'm with Nicholas Chivily, one of our attorneys at Mark Seitelman Law Offices. And Nick, I want to ask you, what's involved in a case against the government? What does a client have to look for?
Well, typically speaking, since we're in New York and New York City, you have to deal with a notice of claim. You have a 90-day requirement to file your claim against the city. This can be done online, however, it's usually a little bit clunky and convoluted. It's best to have an attorney go over everything with you so that it's worded correctly, so that you're not missing anything, and make sure that you get this done sooner rather than later, because like I said, once the 90 days is gone, it's very difficult to make a motion and request the court to allow you to extend your time. So that's why it's important to get to see a lawyer immediately if you can.
So Nick, what are some of the things a client should think about? I always tell clients, if they're injured involving a government person or entity, it means a notice of claim, means a city case, or a New York State case, or a New York City Transit case. So some of the places and things you should think about: New York City Police, injury with the police, that's a city case. Injury in the school, that's a city case. Injury at a city hospital, such as Bellevue or Harlem Hospital, that's a city case. Can you think of some others?
Well, there's usually if you're at any sort of trip and fall outside of the sidewalk, roadway, crosswalk is always going to have the potential to involve the city of New York. Since everyone has cell phones, if you're able or if you're with someone and you fall, you might as well just start taking pictures of what it was that caused you to fall, because sometimes that condition may not be there in the future, especially if it's something like a snow condition. You're there, it's simultaneous, it's best to take care of that then and there.
Okay, so I would say the message we want to impart is, if you have an accident involving the city, call us as soon as possible. We have to do the investigation as soon as possible, and we have to file a notice of claim within the 90 days. Thank you.